Hello, sir. Are you ready to show our friends online our new pickup? Alright. You want to introduce the piece or shall I? You're like, leave me alone. Bam! Make sure this is all even. Alright guys, the moment has finally come. The package took about an extra 3-4 days to get here because of the holiday. I'm gonna move this right there. Welcome back. If you are new to this channel, my name is Ariel. I do luxury fashion content for men, but also for women. I give my tips and advice on all the cool stuff. So if you enjoy content like this, I'd super appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button, hit the thumbs up, hit the bell to stay up to date with all my content because it's fire. And I know you guys like content like this if you guys are watching right now. So I'd appreciate it if you guys hit those bells, thumbs up, comment below after the video, let me know what you thought. And let's get into this video now. As you guys know from the last couple of vlogs, I did a pretty big pickup from Celine. It is well, I can tell you guys now, it's a runway piece, big runway piece. Very rare, very hard to come by. There weren't a lot of these things made. And your boy is lucky enough to have been able to get it. And I wanna give a thank you to my essay as usual. So shout out to you if you are watching, but this piece, I've wanted it ever since I saw the SS20 show. It is probably one of the only pieces that I was like super amazed at, super shocked when it came down in the show. This one really called out to me, and once I saw it on the runway when it came down, I'll show you guys pictures of it when I actually show you the piece, and it's in the background if you guys haven't already noticed because I unboxed it already. When it came, I was super excited to try it out and make sure everything was good on its extra excursion traveling over here. We're gonna get into it. We're gonna get into details. We're gonna get into how it was made. We're gonna get into all of the little details that I asked my essay. I wanted every little bit of information that I can get other than the stuff that I already know about it. And yeah, it's just one of those Hedi Slimane masterpieces that you do not see a lot. You're not gonna see a lot of people with this piece. You're not gonna see a lot of people walking down the street with it. I mean, I don't know how many times I'm gonna walk down the street with it right now because it's so hot. It's been like 90 degrees the last couple of days. So I'm gonna rock it in the house for you guys right now, show you guys how it looks on. I'm gonna stop talking because I know I'm talking a lot. I'm just excited to show you guys this piece. So without further ado, let's jump into the piece. All right, guys, here it is. SS20 fully sequenced oversized cardigan. I mean, it doesn't get more Hedi Slimane, more rock and roll, and more luxe than this. I'm just gonna back out real quick so you guys can just overall see how beautiful this cardigan is. I have my ring light on right now so you guys can see just a little bit of how it just dances. But once this thing is out, like I'm gonna definitely be outside taking my content for Instagram and everything. Once this thing hits in the sunlight, it's just completely different. But as you guys can see, every single piece is completely just embroidered with sequins in each color. So there's burgundy, white, blue, and then this, I guess the rest is white or clear, so they could just completely be tonal and just dance. This whole thing just dances. And I know for a lot of people this is a lot going on for a piece, but honestly, you guys know that I love Celine. I love having these amazing pieces that are just extremely hard to find and just pieces that are collector's items down the road. And honestly, this is just one of those pieces that you're just not gonna see a lot. As you can see on the wrist area, there's more detailing that kind of matches with the collar, but it's just such a sick piece. And I could not wait to have this in my collection, and now I finally do. Now it also features some horn buttons that also say Celine Paris on them. I'm gonna try to zoom in on it so you guys can see. You guys can see it right there. It says Celine Paris. But it's just amazing. I can't stress that enough. The other thing that I did like about it is sequenced, and yes, obviously there's like so much going on. I'm gonna just turn it around so you guys can see that the whole thing is sequenced. It's definitely a delicate piece, and I know that I told you guys before, don't hang your knits, but just for the video I'm doing this so you guys can see it completely in its full grace and glory. But as I was saying, it's definitely a super loud piece and it's not for everybody, but just the fact that it's like an off-white cream with the detailing of the red, white, and blue on the collars, and then it's sequenced, but I just feel like it's still such a subtle piece. Definitely not something you could wear every single day, but you can definitely wear this more days than not. I love it, and that's pretty much all that matters. You guys are gonna see me rock it. I'm gonna show you guys a couple of fits right now. It's kind of hot, so I don't know when the next time I'm gonna be able to break this outside. I'm hoping that we do get blessed with maybe 1 or 2 more days of just breezier weather, because it's definitely been in the 90s, and I don't know when I'm gonna be able to wear this, but if I get graced with some 70-degree weather, I will definitely go out and get my fits in it before winter time, before I have to just give it up. But yeah, I'm gonna throw it on with the fit I have on right now, show you guys what I'm wearing currently, how I would kind of style it, and yeah, we're gonna continue with this vlog. All right guys, so today I wasn't planning on wearing this out today because it's still so hot, but I am wearing a Safe Khaki V-neck t-shirt that is completely broken in. I am wearing some custom wax denim shorts. And then on the feet, I'm wearing my sand-colored neutral Birkenstocks. That's the fit that I currently got on with the Celine cardigan. This completely dances. Thing is crazy. Like this, so you guys can see the full fit. Typically, I don't like oversized pieces, but with something like this, since it is so delicate and it is such a, it's just got a lot of delicate pieces to it. You don't want something like this really like hugging you. You just kind of want it to lay on you and drape a little bit more. So I took a larger size than typically, but honestly, this is the intended fit from the runway, and I'll include pictures on the side of how the model has it on the show, so you guys can just see that it is an oversized fit, just so it is a little bit more of a relaxed, comfortable vibe. So the intended fit is supposed to be worn with a button-up shirt and leather pants. I would also do the leather pants with probably a white button-up shirt, just for a little bit more of a formal look with this to pop it. But since it is so hot, I think that it also looks cool if you go for a more chill, relaxed vibe, kind of like what I'm doing right here. It still gives you that rock star feel, but it's still just a little bit more casual, more relaxed. So again, I'm just rocking it here with my Safe Khaki V-neck t-shirt that is really, really old and broken in, so I like how it drapes now. Some custom wax denim shorts, Birkenstocks that you guys saw in a vlog or 2 back, and my new Tom Ford sunglasses. I'll probably either review them in this video, later on in this video, or maybe I'll do a dedicated video on all my new sunglasses. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys like to see an update to my sunglasses collection. So that is the fit right now. Just a couple more details so you guys can see that it's literally strand for strand. Every single piece is fully sequenced. It's crazy. So nice. Then you gotta love that little pop of color. So nice. figured I'd do one more fit that's very close to how it was styled on the runway. So I styled it here with a H&M white mock neck button-up shirt, dress shirt. I have my Kooples leather pants on, and then I have Celine python boots that I absolutely love. So this is pretty much exactly how they wore it on the runway. And then I also have a Saint Laurent patent leather belt to kind of tie the whole look together. And then also my Tom Ford round sunglasses that I absolutely love. They're classics of mine. So this is how I styled it. One final fit for you guys so you guys can see. Like this so you guys can see the whole fit. Probably wear it like this also. So there's 3 different ways you can wear it and endless other possibilities of how you can wear this piece. It's absolutely amazing. Just look at that. It's crazy. Just the amount of details. I know I keep doing this a lot in this video, but just seeing it move is just crazy. I love this. Oreo, what you think? You like it? He's like, I just want to go for a walk. Alright guys, so that is going to bring us to the end of this vlog. A couple more details up close just so you guys can see. Just want you guys to be able to see all the details in that and just see how well constructed this piece is. I'm gonna go like that so you guys can see it. Each individual strand fully sequence embroidered, and it's just such a beautiful, beautiful piece. You guys can see it there, the whole, literally the whole knit. So hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think of this runway piece. Do you think it is awesome or as amazing as I do? Something that you would add to your collection and just rock out with? I feel like I'm gonna get so much use out of it just because it is a more neutral colorway, and even though it is loud, I still feel like it's obviously going to be like the statement piece out of the whole outfit. Let me know below what you guys think you would wear it with if you would pick this piece up. As always, if you enjoy content like this, definitely hit that subscribe button, hit the thumbs up, drop me some comments below as I keep stating. Let me know what you guys think of this video, and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with all my content. If you aren't already following me on Instagram, definitely check me out at Ariel.Rosado29 for daily fit pics and reels, because I stay up to date with all my content. As always guys, I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Stay safe.